short in Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, Kiwi dollar, and pound dollar. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting top down here in Aussie dollar on the daily chart. So here on Aussie dollar, there is a sweep here of day before yesterday's high. So here on the daily chart, here is yesterday's candle. Here is day before yesterday's candle. You can see yesterday's candle trades above the range of day before yesterday's candle and then closes inside the range of yesterday's candle, or day before yesterday's candle. This gives me a sell side draw on liquidity. Next we'll come over here to the 1 hour chart, and that price action leads to this here, which is a body candle close below this swing low here, also getting this and this for bearish fair value gaps here, or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies. So with those, seeing trending market conditions on the 1 hour chart. Then if we come up to the 4 hour chart, this is the price action here that's being dictated based on the daily chart. So price action still bullish here on the 4 hour chart at the time of entry on the trade. Here on the 1 hour chart, mentioned this body candle close here, but also there are some wick candle closures that happen here too. So sell side delivery here on the 1 hour, and the 15-minute is with the 1 hour here. So sell side draw on liquidity, trending market conditions to the sell side, and 2 out of my 3 multiple time frame analysis charts are directionally to the sell side or bearish. So this is what I wanted to see in order to take a position. And then you get this candle here on pullback right here that allow for an entry here in the position, and that'll be equivalent here on the 15-minute chart, this area here. And this was based on this area here on the 1 hour chart, this swing low here, and that would be here on here, this candle here. I'll come in. So I set my entry on this 15-minute swing low right here, and then with the stop loss right above this swing high here. You don't see it here, but stop loss above this daily swing here. So my stop loss is here, resting in this liquidity pool above yesterday's high. And then if we come over to my execution charting here, you'll see me taking profits in this position, or the entries and the take profits here in this position. So if we come here to the 1 hour chart, you can see here being the entry, and then here taking profits as this 1 hour liquidity is swept. But this is also the equivalent of the, actually, let's back up. This is actually equivalent of what was the low at the time of today's daily candle. So took profits there, and then you can see there's take profits here. And this was just because price had broken below this level, but this was the earliest that I could catch it. And then this area here is in conjunction with this, which is the rebalance of this higher daily bullish fair value gap, or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency right here. That was at the rebalance point, this most recent partial right here. And then you can see here on the 5-minute, take an entry here, price pulls back deeper, and then price delivers to the sell side here, and then that's when I take that first partial. Here I wanted to take a partial, but I went to sleep, so I had to get some rest. So I missed this opportunity to take partial, and then you can see since then price delivered here to the buy side. My stop loss is back here at break even. So price came back, but did not reach my break even point, and then began to redeliver to the sell side here quite aggressively. Here's that second partial after the sweep of this level, and then here's that third partial that's in conjunction with the rebalance of this bullish fair value gap. And I've still got the last portion of the trade on and targeting the high of this candle here. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So targeting the high of this Friday candle here for a rebalance, or at least for price to reach the rebalance point of this lower bullish fair value gap, and then price may return to the buy side or continue to deliver to the sell side. But that is my final target based on my analysis charting here. You can see here on the daily chart, you get yesterday's candle in addition to the price action related to my drawn liquidity. This blue line here is the high of last week, and this candle here from yesterday closes above this. So from a weekly perspective, I have a bullish bias or a buy side bias. So with that, I'm not anticipating price to break down past this lower fair value gap. Put that up here. So I don't anticipate price to want to break this swing here. It may, but I'm going to anticipate that price will respect the lower fair value gap. So the swing is here, and the rebalance point is here. So my trade idea is based off of everything that I'm seeing here price action wise, and this to me would be the lowest target that I would want to pursue with the price delivery algorithm based on daily and potential weekly outcomes from the current price action. Additionally, I am in euro dollar. So euro dollar, you can see here very close to profit target here. Profit target 115.068 and currently 115.163. So approaching profit target here, or profit target may potentially be reached today. You can see price action still showing trending behavior here on the 1 hour chart, putting in body candle close below this swing, and then there's a bearish fair value gap there. So maybe reaching target here on euro dollar today. Head over to the execution charting, and you can see probably the hour is going to be best for this here. You can see my entry, and then since then you can see this series of targets as price is in this area where there's lots of 1 hour liquidity. So taking profits along this area, and then you can see price still delivering here to the sell side. And then on the 5-minute chart, my entry is actually here, and then you can see these series of partials here, and now the trade has just been running here towards the final target. Pound dollar. with this runner on here on pound dollar. So quite a ways to go here to target, but I'm just holding here to see what price does. Still getting some trending behavior here as you're getting these body candle closes here below these swing lows here. Also potentially putting in a bearish gap here. Come over to the execution charting. You can see here on the 1 hour chart, taking an entry here, partial here, in line with the sweep of this liquidity and a rebalance here, and then taking profits here with the sweep of that previous 1 hour low there. And then here on the 5-minute chart, here, see the entry here, see price deliver, miss profit taking down here, take some there, and then I'm able to take profit a little lower than where I missed before down here. And then a little deeper here, and now just holding here for the remainder as price is still delivering here overall to the sell side. And Kiwi dollar. Still holding on to a remaining piece here. Near profit target similar to euro dollar, potentially a profit taking opportunity or a terminus to the trade today potentially. And then here on the 1 hour chart, you can see trending conditions here, bearish gaps and body candle closures all in this area, trending very nicely here, delivering overall to the sell side. And execution charting. Internet's a bit slow lately. So here on the 1 hour chart, seeing the entry here and then these series of take profits here in line with the sweep of this 1 hour liquidity area, and then this 1 hour liquidity area here with these fair value gaps, and then this swing here. And then here on the 5-minute chart, you can see entry here, consolidation, sell side delivery, and then profit taking here in line with these areas here on the 1 hour chart. And then since then you can see further consolidation and sell side delivery here overall. Now let's see if we can get back into Aussie dollar. Or not. Refresh the platform, and of course now it loads. Alright. Okay, back in Aussie dollar here. I'm gonna refresh one more time. Okay. Back over to Aussie dollar. Alright. So with Aussie dollar as well, there is a potential for price to pull back. And there may be a trade opportunity in here. Probably about here. at this level here on the 15-minute. But I'll keep an eye on this and may wound up setting another order for a potential add into Aussie dollar. But I'm going to stand by and see if that holds up for the rest of the day here. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt.